ExpertOption Social Trading. Expand your world, try social trading. In this video, we will explain how social trading works on our platform and how you can make better use of it. Social trading is designed to create an open space between traders where you can all view each other's activity in real time. By watching deals, trading volume, profits and losses of an asset, you get a better idea about the current state of the market, which helps you make better buy and sell decisions. To begin, click the social icon in your toolbar and start viewing other traders' activity along with their profits and losses straight on your chart. These are just some of the deals being executed on the platform, because showing all the deals would cover the entire chart. Did any trader catch your attention? Click on their avatar to view more information. Now, let's open the Social Trading panel. Click the Social tab in the side menu. You can immediately see all the stats of the current traders and activity on the platform. The top bar shows you the total number of online traders, the volume being traded at the moment, and the amount of open deals. These numbers apply to all traders and all assets on the ExpertOption platform. In the second bar, you can see the number of open deals and volume on your chosen trading asset and the most recent traders. Right below, you will find trader sentiment on your asset. This is the percentage of traders opening buy versus sell deals. How can you use this tool? You can compare your decision to your fellow traders and get a clearer idea of the market before opening your own deal. For even more insight on the recent status of the market, see the overall trading volume and the number of the most recently closed deals based on expiration times. Within each expiration time, you can view the traders who made the highest profits on all assets on the ExpertOption platform. Now that you have explored social trading, you are ready to open your own deal. ExpertOption wishes you successful trading.